I'm GymCon 2025. Come here to start setting up. I'm the only one here so far. I guess it's a long night for some, but anyhow, show you guys around real quick. I'm not sure whose all this stuff is, but anyhow, looks like this is where we'll have some competitions at. The games begin. Bleachers. Jake did this right. Still a lot of empty booths. So home gym cons tomorrow. Some people maybe have their stuff pre-put together. But anyhow. It's a RFIT booth. Looks like they got the M2 there, pink M1, got the new Buffalo, lots of other equipment to put together. They still have, so Iron Master booth, everything's still in boxes. Rep came in yesterday with a big old crew full of people. I think mostly they put together the flooring. They did have some stuff pre-assembled, but they got dumbbells for days. Temple of Gains, these guys are coming up. Kind of like them, listen to a lot of feedback. But anyhow, got a lot of white equipment. I don't know if I'm a big guy on white. White equipment kind of reminds me of, LA Fitness or something like that. It looks all right. ATX said, "We are here." They didn't want nobody to miss them. So I got X Master class here. Primal Armor. We have MV Athletics. Over here, Power Bells, Blade X, the Bad Machine, Dana Core Power Block. Right there. Porter's Hype Fitness. Shout out. Guy's a cool guy. The Band Machine. Buffett Strength. Look at these guys. Awesome. Surplus Strength. Home Fitness Works. Shout out to my boy Brandon. And over here we got the RFIT team. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, so we're putting everything together over here. So we got the M1, M2. You guys can't look at that until tomorrow. We got the Buffalo, new Buffalo. You guys can't look at that one either. Anyhow, still lots of equipment to put together. Living Fit, Iron Master. Lots and lots of empty booths right now. But maybe they got a plan. So, tons and tons of adjustable dumbbells. Pick one, anyone. Anyways, got a rep rack, cable crossover system. So they still have a lot to put together. Light mirror over there. Gentleman Fitness Club. Good morning. Grade 8 grips. I don't even know how to say that. Buffalo Bully Fabrication. Heroic Fitness is here. All right, here's Titan. So Titan's also set up. Really, they got a lot of stuff put together. This is the way to do it. You need to pre-assemble the equipment before from GymCon. Get it shipped directly. Sauna box over there. Shout out to them. I'd like to try one of those. These guys, they said, hey, we are here. I think Arnold's coming to the show. Just kidding. ATX, they're here, obviously. Addicts clubs and maces. Mace Fit, Kinetic Iron, Strength Systems, Strength Rep LLC, Solid Bar Fitness, Ryan J presents. Morning. I don't know if I said it, guys, but ATX is here. Let's see who else we got. Solid Bar Fitness, Strength Rep, Kinetic Iron Strength, Metcon. Oh, PRX. Pretty cool stuff if you don't have space. Got some top secret stuff going on over here at the Quantum Free Trainer. I guess we'll see that tomorrow. Got RX Smart Gear. Lots of empty booths. Lots of empty booths. Free barbell. I don't think the barbell's free, but it's the name of the company. Shout out Bulletproof. You guys are pretty innovative. Got a few racks over here. They drove, I think, like, I know they drove from very far away, but I think they had most of the stuff like taken back with them in their camper. I think some of their samples didn't come through on time, but I think he's still gonna have a chill experience over here. It's like Rogue, most of their stuff's put together, but they got a team of people, looks like doing some small adjustments. Inspire Fitness. Cool stuff there. Still lots of them. Performance better. M plate. Altitude iron, perform better. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Lots of forklift travel. Micro games, mutant metals. Yeah. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Still lots of equipment to put together for a lot of booths. But yeah, here's a show around the expo. At least what it looks like right now.